Hello, thank you for your interest in a grant from the Education Fund. We have already given out almost $350,000 to community organizations. So let's review the grant application and requirements to ensure that you qualify for funding as well. We will begin accepting grant applications as early as September 1st, but all applications are due by 5 p.m. on Friday, October 20th. We will not accept any late applications, so please make sure to turn it in on time. We will also not accept any mailed, faxed, or handwritten applications, so please submit your application to the email provided here as a PDF. You can request up to $5,000, but please know that any applications requesting between $3,500 to $5,000 must be matched. Please make sure that your organization is tax exempt and that you can provide that tax ID number in the application. All grants must benefit an organization within the Crescenta-Cañada Valley. This would include areas such as La Cañada, La Crescenta, parts of Glendale, Montrose, and Tujunga. Parent organizations located outside but delivering education programs in this area are eligible. If you are applying for capital equipment, though, you must also include a purchase order or a competitive bid. All right, please know that as you are completing the grant application to type directly into the program, unfortunately it does not save your work, so make sure to complete it in one sitting. All right, let's make sure that the grant and the funding you are looking for is something that we would like to support. We support areas such as books and teaching tools, classroom materials, community enrichment projects, equipment purchases, replacement and modernization, fundraising events or capital campaigns, improvement to facilities including athletic facilities and musical instruments. We also support parent education programs, program for those with special needs, printed material, salaries, but we will only support up to 50% of that budget. Sports equipment, technology upgrades, computer hardware and software programs, and youth and other types of leadership. We do not support areas of advertising, endowment funds, faith-based projects, feasibility studies or consulting fees, fiscal agents, individuals and individual scholarships, insurance or maintenance contracts, political lobbying, voter registration or campaigns, research, transportation expenses, uniforms or clothing, or grants to pass through organizations or foundations which redistribute donated funds. So once you have made sure that you are applying for a grant that we support, it's time to complete that application. You can access the application by going to either of these websites. And then the first thing you will see is a cover sheet. Please make sure to include all of the information asked for. And don't forget that competitive bid if you are asking for equipment. That cover sheet will also ask for that tax identification number, and you'd fill it in right here. Next, we're going to ask you a few questions about your organization and what the funds will go to. Please read each question carefully and answer it to the best of your ability. Once you have finished responding to each of these questions directly on the document, you can download that as a PDF and then send it to the email provided at the top of the screen here. Right here. All right, we wish you the best of luck with your grant. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the number provided here. Once again, thank you for your interest in the Education Fund and the support you are providing for our community.